Tonight, President Donald Trump is taking some strong action to try to stop the spread of COVID-19.
To keep new cases from entering our shores, we will be suspending all travel from Europe to the United States for the next 30 days. The new rules will go into effect Friday at midnight.
Right now, those restrictions do not apply to the United Kingdom, but to mainland Europe. The president says he also spoke with leaders in the health insurance industry. He says they will be waiving all co-pays and extended coverage to treat COVID-19.
We have our first celebrity case of COVID-19. Tonight, actors Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson announced that they have tested positive.
No deaths have been reported in either state. Right now, testing for the virus is a priority. We've learned the Mayo Clinic is working to develop a real-time test so people can get results faster. Here's a look at all of the counties in Minnesota that have confirmed cases of COVID-19. They include Anoka, Carver, Ramsey, and Olmsted counties. Meanwhile, state health officials say Minnesota is entering a new phase focused on mitigating community spread of the virus.
That means that people may need to reconsider hosting large gatherings or events. The impact on our lives could be big. Our Erin Hassanzadeh looks at how things are already changing.
Remember the March Madness Final Four that electrified Minneapolis last year? This year's NCAA tournaments will be fanless, with the association deciding to play March Madness games in empty arenas to slow the spread of COVID-19.
Big events need to make the right choice for us when we maybe can't tell the impact it might have.
My biggest concern is that's going to hurt the economy in a big way. That's a lot of money not moving around.
Though the Minnesota Department of Health says there's no community transmission in the state, event cancellations and modifications are popping up.
In terms of limiting large gatherings, yes, that is certainly something that we will be talking about and encouraging people to think about.
Wednesday, the University of Minnesota announced classes on all 5 campuses will move online after an extended spring break.
That I actually agree with.
I think it's great that we have the technology that allows schools to do that.
Some Minnesota care provider associations are asking nursing homes and assisted living centers to limit family visits, suggesting that video calls are a better idea right now. Cities like Chicago and Boston are canceling their upcoming St. Patrick's Day parades. But the 54th annual celebration here in St. Paul is still scheduled for next Tuesday.
I will be at the parade, yes, I will be. YOLO, I mean, we only have one life to live.
And for now, the Minnesota United home opener on Sunday will go on with fans in the stands. But state health officials say if it hasn't already, the virus could start impacting our daily lives soon.
I think people are overreacting, but what are you going to do?
Slowing it down, I think, is the right and ethical thing to do. So taking whatever actions we can makes sense to me.
And the Minnesota Department of Health says if you're part of the vulnerable population, so elderly people, people with underlying conditions, it's wise to stay away from those large gatherings, even if they haven't been canceled. But as we're seeing that impact with the NBA, with Gophers sports, things are changing very quickly here, Amelia.
They certainly do. All right. Thank you, Erin.